Ram Babu is a farmer. He bought 1 acre of land for rupees 5 lakhs. But due to illness, he had to sell the land for rupees 4,50,000. You have to find his loss. Now since he bought the land for rupees 5 lakh, his cost price is equals to rupees 5 lakhs. He sold the land for rupees 4,50,000. So his SP would be rupees 4,50,000. So here we see CP greater than SP. So loss is equals to CP minus SP, which gives you 50,000. Finally, we will write the loss of Ram Babu on selling the land is rupees 50,000. This is the end of the first question. This is Haria. He bought a bullock for rupees 45,000. After a year, he sold the bullock for rupees 47,600. Find his profit. Students, a few moments are given. You think and try to find out how will you calculate the answer. You will begin your answer. CP of the bullock is rupees 45,000. SP of the bullock is rupees 47,600. As you can see here, SP greater than CP. So profit is equals to SP minus CP. So rupees 47,600 minus 45,000, which gives you rupees 2,600. At the end, you will write the answer as profit of Haria is rupees 2,600. This answer should be written after your calculation is done. Coming to the third question, Ram Singh sells chana masala. Every day he rolls his stall to a nearby place. He spends rupees 1,500 on purchasing materials for use and sells each packet for rupees 25. Find his profit on selling 80 packets daily. Students, you will write all these questions and their solutions from the video lessons. First of all, you will write CP of material used is equals to rupees 1,500. SP of each packet is equals to rupees 25. SP of 80 such packets is equals to rupees 25 multiplied by 80, which gives you rupees 2,000. Now as you see here, SP greater than CP. So profit is equals to SP minus CP, which gives you rupees 2,000 minus 1,500, which is rupees 500. Finally, you will write thus his profit on selling 80 packets is rupees 500. This is your final answer. Question 4. This is money. He purchases toys from Bada Bazaar for rupees 7 per piece. He sells them at Fancy Street for rupees 20 per piece. Find his profit. Now here you have to find his profit on selling a toy, and if he sells 20 such toys daily, find his total profit in a day. Solution: CP of each toy is rupees 7, SP of each toy is rupees 20. As you can see here, SP greater than CP. So profit on each toy is equals to 20 minus 7, which is 13. Now, if profit on one toy is rupees 13, so profit on 20 toys is equals to 13 multiplied by 20, which gives you rupees 260. See, we have to write two answers here. Profit on selling one toy is equals to rupees 13, and profit on selling 20 toys is equals to rupees 260. Remember to write both the answers. Coming to question 5, Jitendra sells tomatoes. He goes to the nearby Kisan Mandi to purchase tomatoes. He purchases tomatoes for rupees 25 per kg and sells at rupees 40 per kg. Though he purchases 30 kg tomatoes daily, he could sell only 25 kg as rest are rotten. You have to find his profit or loss and also the amount of profit or loss. CP of 1 kg tomatoes is equals to rupees 25. CP of 30 kg tomatoes is equals to rupees 25 into 30, which gives you rupees 750. SP of 1 kg tomatoes is equals to rupees 40. SP of 25 kg tomatoes is equals to rupees 40 into 25, which gives you rupees 1000. Here SP greater than CP. So profit is equals to rupees 1000 minus 750, which gives you rupees 250. So his profit is rupees 250. This is Janki Mai. She sells mangoes in Janakpuri. She purchases from a local mandi and sells them. She purchases them for rupees 30 per kg and sells at rupees 50 per kg. She purchased a box of 50 kg mangoes, but there were 10 kg mangoes which were rotten. Find her profit on selling the remaining mangoes. Students, a few seconds time is given so that you may think and try to find its solution. You will begin your solution with finding the remaining quantities of mangoes that she can sell, which is 50 minus 10, which gives you 40 kg. CP of 1 kg mango is equals to rupees 30. So CP of 50 kg mangoes is rupees 30 multiplied by 50, which gives you rupees 1500. SP of 1 kg mango is equals to rupees 50, and SP of 40 kg mangoes is equals to rupees 50 multiplied by 40, which gives you rupees 2000. Here SP greater than CP. So profit is equals to rupees 2000 minus 1500, which gives you rupees 500. Final answer is her profit is equals to rupees 500. Students, you will write down all the questions along with the answers that have been provided. The solution has been given, you will write them down.